love this chapter 9. It's so good. Hey, no,
I'll pick it up.
no.
Pick it up.
I'll get my revenge one day. I wish he knew my pain. I wish we could switch bodies for a day.
Hello.
What the?
Your wish will be granted. I am a magical water fountain.
Today's been a super weird day. Talking water fountain. I just want to go to sleep.
What's happening? It's time to get back to school. Books. Books are for nerds.
Oh, abandoned books. I usually never like these, but I just want to read. For nerds. Come on, dude. Come on.
How does it feel to get bullied, nerd?
How could I ever be a bully? I wish they would stop bullying me, man.
Wish granted.
What?
You learn your lesson not to bully nobody.
What the heck? A talking water fountain.
Yes, I am.
If you learn your lesson, I will switch you back.